Hey everyone, Lewis from Vev here, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how to export your Figma design and turn it into an HTML website, all without having to write a single line of code. So, let's jump into it. Jumping from Figma design to live websites is now easier than ever, allowing designers to take control of the whole web creation process from end to end. At Vev, we do the coding legwork for you. Use our Figma plugin to automatically translate your Figma designs into quality HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once coded, you can easily weave in advanced animations to publish your design directly to the web. Today, I'm going to take you through how to turn your Figma design into an HTML website using Vev, and publish a glorious responsive website. First, let's jump into Figma and open up the design that we're going to import into Vev. I've configured this Figma design for a super smooth import into Vev, starting by breaking out sections of the design using frames. In Vev, sections are the building blocks for your design that allow you to organize your project and easily reorder your page. Each full width frame in my Figma file will appear in Vev as a section that I can easily style. For backgrounds, you want to set the fill of the frame by selecting it and setting the relevant image or color in the style panel on the right hand side. Finally, take advantage of grouping your elements together within Figma and using features like auto layout, as these will all translate perfectly when imported into Vev. There are two ways you can import your Figma design directly into Vev, using the Figma plugin or by using the native integration inside of Vev. In this video, we're just going to be concentrating on the Figma plugin. With your design open and ready to import, head over to the resources menu in the top toolbar. From here, select the plugins tab, search for Vev, then select Run. When selected, a new modal will open, walking you through the steps you need to take to import the file. Select the frame of the design you want to import. When selected, this will show you the name, dimension, colors, and images used in that design. Once you're happy, select Export to Vev. You'll now be prompted for the URL of the Figma design. You can easily obtain this by clicking the share button in the top right and then selecting Copy Link. Just paste this into the text box and click Export. If you're logged into Vev already, your design will import straight into a new project. If you aren't logged in, you'll be taken to a page where you can either log in or create a free account. You'll also be prompted here to upload any fonts from your Figma design that aren't yet in Vev. When asked, simply locate the files on your local computer and upload them manually. And voila, you've just exported your Figma design to HTML using Vev. From here, you can go and optimize all the different devices, add interactivity, and publish your creation directly to the web. To review your device in different breakpoints, you can either grab the handles on the right and bottom of the canvas to resize the window. Alternatively, you can go to the breakpoint selection on the bottom left and choose the device. You can also easily switch between these by pressing 1, 2, and 3 on your keyboard. Now, time for enhancements. Let's start off by adding some animation to the main header. Select the text element and navigate to the add-ons panel on the top right hand side. From this menu, search animation and select it. Vev's pre-coded animation tool lets you use 4 different types of animation triggers. And for this header, we're going to be selecting the load trigger and using the slide-in preset. Next, we can turn these social icons into links by using the link add-on. Once again, select the element you want to apply it to and navigate to the add-ons panel. From this menu, search for link and apply it. Once applied, we can choose from a list of different link types. As these are social buttons, we want to use the external link type. Just select it, add a URL, and close the menu. So try it for yourself. Head over to Figma's plugin community and search for Vev, or click the link in the description below. I've also included the link to the design used in this video if you want to experience the whole flow for yourself. For more videos like this, check out vev.design/learn. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.